I'm Scott with Marc's Mobility. Today we're going to be unboxing and assembling the Regal by Merits Health, so stay tuned. When you order the Regal, it will be shipped on a pallet just like this. What we're going to do is I'm going to take a box cutter, I'm going to cut these two straps off. Remember to cut upward, not down into the box. Then we should be able to lift the lid up. So it's kind of hard to see from there, but we do have a couple boxes sitting up top loose. We've got this, which I assume is our joystick. We have what looks like our charger right here. And then actually sitting on top, we have our seat. So from here, we can actually just lift that straight up. And there is a box kind of stuck on the end of it. I'm going to bring that up with it. There we go. Then we have this box, which I assume is going to be our arms, but we'll open that up in a little bit. Then all that leaves is the base of the chair in this box. So what I'm going to do in order to get it out, I'm going to grab my box cutter again. And I'm going to cut the front of this. Now make sure to double check inside that you're not going to actually hit the unit when you cut into the box. So it's kind of set back, so I'm not going to cut it. And I'll cut the front here. And I'll do the same on the other side. There we go. Now the easiest way to get this out is we want to put it into neutral. So neutral is so you can push the unit. You want these are your motor levers. You want to push them to the outside. Sometimes if they don't go, you have to shake it just a little bit. And then now I should be able to just wheel this out. There we go. Now I'm going to take a moment to clean up some of the packing material, then we'll get to assembling the power chair. Now I have the base here. Before we start assembling the chair, we got to plug in the batteries. Now we're going to take our neutral levers and flip them back into the drive position because we've got to take this shroud off. It's held on by Velcro, so you can actually just lift it right up. Here's our batteries. You can see our cables are unplugged. So we'll just go ahead and plug them in. Make sure they're tight. And then this is actually our joystick cable here. And we're going to make sure when we stick our shroud back on, we just run this through here. Then it just sets back down. And we're good to go. We're going to start assembling the chair now. Now I'm going to go ahead and stick the seat on. Here's the seat. I've already removed the plastic covering. It's easier to pick up the seat if you fold it down. This is a captain seat. So I'm going to pull that handle on the right side, fold the seat down. That way it's a lot easier to handle. I would recommend a second person for this, just so you don't miss and start scratching your chair. But if you have to do it by yourself, I would fold it down, pick it up, and then this post is going to go right in that post on the seat. Then I kind of tilt it towards me so I can look and make sure I get it in the right spot. There we go. Then that is the front of the unit there. And now you'll notice it's still spinning. What I got to do is pull this lever and it should lock. There we go. It locks at different angles. Should be every 45 degrees. In this case it locks straight forward. Bring our seat back up. And now we're going to install our arms. Inside this large box from earlier, we have our arms, we have our armrest brackets, we have our owner's manual in here, and we also have our seat belt that I'll show you how to install after we do the arms. So first we're going to install our arm bracket, but before I do that, we're going to actually grab our seat belt, because the seat belt is going to slide over this. This is how we install the seat belt. And now underneath here is a bracket. It's kind of hard to see, it's really under the chair, but this is going to slide in. It's a metal bracket, just like that. And then with a 5mm Allen wrench, there's a set screw in there that you're going to tighten. Now you can tighten this wherever you want. If you want the arms further away, you can tighten it there, or you can get them closer. Just make sure that your seatbelt is on, and you would do the same thing to the other side. And that's how you attach your seatbelt. Now I'm going to just go ahead and tighten this set screw. Now the armrest will not slide. Now we're going to install our armrest. There's two different armrests. One of them has this bracket on it. This is the one where your joystick goes. The other one does not have that bracket on there. So make sure if you're right-handed or left-handed, this armrest goes on that correct side. So now I'm going to slide this into here. And again, you can set this at whatever height you want. Whenever you get it to where you want, you'll just tighten this. And now your armrest is secure. Now we're going to install our joystick. First I'm going to grab the cable, and I'm going to kind of run it on the inside. I don't want it on the outside because I don't want it to snag anything while you're driving. I'll go ahead and plug it in. And then I'm going to install it in here. It's going to slide right in. Now, if it doesn't go all the way in, we might have to loosen this set screw. It takes a 4mm Allen. So I'll just go ahead and loosen that. And it should slide in. Then you can tighten this Allen wrench wherever you want it. If you want the joystick further out or closer to you, you can go ahead and do that. I'll tighten that. And notice I have the cable again running on the inside. I don't want it to run on the outside. You just don't want it to get pulled on anything. And then they give you this Velcro you can use to kind of secure the cable. But honestly, I might grab some zip ties and just secure it, there, and maybe once on the arm down here instead. Then this last box is your charger. I'm not going to open it, but basically the charger will go into your wall on one end, and the other end will go underneath the joystick right here. So this has been the unboxing and assembly of the Regal by Merits. If you have any questions about this product or you want to order one, go ahead and give us a call, or there should be a link in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.